without the meat, without the dairy. Get into it.
Always be around when you down, just vibe with me. You got a nice smile.
Alright, let's get it started. Simple Truth organic red lentils. Throw them things in the blender. Black pepper, garlic salt, oregano, adobo all-purpose seasoning, pink salt. It's good to really season up lentils because that taste can be a little nasty, to be realistic. Put it on pulse a couple times. Yeah, there you go. There we go. Look at that batter. Looking tasty already, man. Stir it up a little bit. Put that grapeseed oil in the pan, or you can use the oil of your choice. Oh yeah. And it's almost like pancakes, y'all. It's quite amazing, I must admit. After you put it in the pan, politely spread it around, real gently. Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah. It's almost ready, y'all. Going to flip it over once you feel like it's hard enough on one side. Then I always like to take a knife and poke it, especially on the inside toward the middle of it. Make sure the inside is cooking correctly. Then I flip it back over, put a lid over it, just so the inside can cook more. Oh yeah, it's ready, y'all. It's ready, man. Get some vegan mayonnaise. I like using Follow Your Heart brand. I mean, it tastes just like regular mayonnaise. Throw some of that red hot sauce on there. Put some more oregano in there. Garlic salt, pepper. Yeah, stir that up a little bit. After I stir it up, I like to put some Tabasco sauce in there. Give it that extra spice. Stir it up again. Now it's time to put it on the flatbread. See how easy this is, y'all? Swirl that around. There you go. Now take some pieces of a romaine lettuce, put it on the flatbread. Take some garbanzo beans, some chickpeas. Gotta strain them there. Oh yeah. Get those all drained out. Then I put those in the sauce that I made. Oh yeah. Then it's time to bake them. Put it on 350. There we go, put it in a glass container. I usually put it in the oven for about 10-15 minutes. Oh yeah, take them guys out the oven. There you go. Put it right over that lettuce. Baking the chickpeas are optional, but I like that savory taste on the red lentil flatbread. Y'all know what I'm about, that dough. They say it ain't good unless it's on the side of your mouth. Y'all need to get with this vegan life, man. Stop playing. Being vegan makes you appreciate the simple, healthy food in life. Without the meat, without the dairy. Get into it.
Hope you come around again. Need to see how you act without your friend. Need to get you, take you out on a